layer lines, those lines would have been produced by glacial abrasion. So they're giant scratch marks the glacier made in the rock as it was carving out the gorge. And all the rock you're seeing here is actually all the same age, 500 million years old.
Wow, that's something.
May I ask where you're visiting from?
Crispamsis.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So do you...
This is an interpretation center here for the park. Beautiful view.
Hidden along the Bay of Fundy lies one of Canada's most breathtaking drives, the Fundy Trail Parkway.